Aristotle said, "Jealousy is both reasonable and belongs to reasonable men, while envy is base and belongs to the base. For the one makes himself get good things by jealousy, while the other does not allow his neighbor to have them through envy." Meaning, there are actually fundamental, important, imperative, and meaningful differences between both jealousy and envy because they are fundamentally different and individual from one another in many respects and ways that often goes unnoticed and unrecognized simply because they are ignored by all of us in one way or another, because we always confuse jealousy with envy when in reality they are different. Now, we all can have jealousy regarding something or another that we don't have in our lives, or the other's growth, prosperity, learning. Jealousy is a very human condition and belongs to all kind of man, no matter their education, wisdom, maturity, morality, knowledge, etc. Being jealous is a normal condition that can happen because of the constant modernism and also because of the constant introduction of technology and devices and gadgets into the society as well as into our lives. So jealousy can happen, so because it's a powerful emotion, while envy on the other hand does not have any character, importance, meaning, or significance to or about itself. Envy is a degrading, degenerating, and decaying emotion that destroys the self from the inside, hollows out the emotions, and renders the man worthless, futile, unimportant, and robs him and basically strips him of his individuality, authenticity, sovereignty, and also eradicates his character, integrity, morality, honesty, and understanding in the process. And that's why we must never entertain or accept envy because of the other's achievement, prosperity, growth, or learning. But through jealousy, we can still improve. There is still the scope for improvement, prosperity, growth, learning, alongside the development of integrity, morality, character, modesty, and maturity through jealousy. But when we give in to envy, then we cannot grow, we cannot get better at anything either, and not just ourselves. So jealousy makes improvement, it becomes better. The jealous man seeks rationality, wisdom, maturity, and morality over time, while the envy tries to harm the others through deception, immorality, and unacceptable ways, and unjust behavior, and other sorts of mischief. So envy does not allow the other or the neighbor to live with happiness, prosperity, because it's always possessive and obsessive over the others